To show. Show a picture. Show your new bike. To bring. Bring sandwiches. Bring flowers. To send. Send an email. Send a message. To throw. Throw a ball. Throw an apple. To find. Find your mother's keys. Find a song on Spotify. Where can I find you? You can find us in a cafe next to the park. I can paint a picture of a house. Can you show us your picture, please? Can I send you an email? Yes, send us an email, please. Aren't you thirsty? Yes, we are. Can you bring us some water, please? Give her the book. Give the book to her. Give it to her. Give the book to your sister. Show these pictures to our new worker, please. Show them to her, please. Sing me a song. Sing it to me. Let's send these photos to your father. Let's send them to him. Can you bring an umbrella to me and my sister? Can you bring it to us? I can't read this book to my brother. I can't read it to him. Throw the ball to that girl. Throw it to her. Let's buy a pizza for our children. Let's buy it for them. We can find a new home for these cats. We can find it for them. Let's make a cake for our grandfather. Let's make it for him. Let's write a message to their parents. Let's write it to them. They can't find a new school for their son. They can't find it for him. Give that cake to our neighbor. Give it to her.